Ibiyimigcobo ukuvuyisana nabasetyhini abangamaqala ezemidlalo nabawongwa ngaphambili ekuphakamiseni ezemidlalo, ubugcisa nenkcubeko. Abafumana amabhaso baneminyaka elishumi bekwezemidlalo kwiikhowudi zemidlalo ezifana nesquash, i-lifeguard, ihockey kunye nomdaniso waseSpain. La manenekazi achulumancile ukufumana ukuwongwa ngomsebenzi onzima aye awenza nokuqhubeka ezinikela kuqeqesho aluthandayo.
To be recognized after all these years, all the hard work, I never expected it. And especially I moved from hockey over to squash, which wasn't very popular. But as I coached, everything went well and I'm still at it. And one of my proteges, he's now playing men's league and I started with him at primary school. So it's quite an achievement for him and for myself.
I did not understand what was this about, what are they going to talk about, but when they explained when I heard what they're saying there, then I understood, but it is an unknown territory that people would actually get into, making sure that our sport has started at a given time and we're getting them, and I really hope everything about us is written on it, and how diverse we are, how we really are managing, getting developed and progress in this town about everything that we are.
Kunyaka ka-2015, i-PE Sports Legend Trust yaphehlelelwa ngokusesikweni nguRichard Drye kunye noGraeme Souls. I-PE Sports Legends ijolise ekuziseni ulwazi ngamadoda kunye nabasetyhini bexesha elidlulileyo abangaziwayo neyaqala ngo-2014 ngethuba uDrye ebona imbethi-manqindi endala yaseShorterville eGqeberha ziwafumanisa ukuba abahlobo awayehamba nabo abayazi ukuba leliphi eliqala.
He was one of our first professional boxers from Shorterville in Gqeberha. And what I did then, I went to his wife. His wife was a teacher. I was involved with education. I'm an education activist. So I went to his wife and I asked, can I have a picture of your husband? Because the people don't know who he was. So that's how the journey started. I found 4 pictures of Johnny Heinsohn and I posted that on Facebook. This great boxer, and that's how the journey started. In 2015, some of the trustees joined, and we officially launched in September 2015, where Dr. Danny Jordan was our keynote speaker, and that's how the journey started. I went around finding these sporting legends, where they are, who was it. I don't have all the details, but I went into newspapers, I spoke to people. One of our trustees was a reporter, Devdas Govinji, so we had a lot of information. So we're trying to find these people which South Africa, the rest of South Africa never knew about, so that we can honor these guys, and we agree that we honor them appropriately. Do it in such a way that you uplift their spirits.
Kwiminyaka emine eyadlulayo, lo kaDrye waqala ukupapasha amabali angamashumi-45 amaqhawe ezemidlalo angazange abonwa. Upapasho lwesibini luyaqhubeka ngoku. uDrye uthi akazange acinge ukuba oku kuya kuba yimpumelelo, ukwathi oku kumvisa kamnandi kumazantsi entliziyo yakhe. Uthi uyakuqonda ukuba ukomelela anako luphawu abasetyhini abaninzi ingakumbi abakwiqela lezemidlalo abanalo.
So women is very important for every discipline in our country, if I must put it like that. If some people can just realize that, because women are resilient, they don't give up. They try to do the best and they will never stop even they haven't got the success that they want. So it's important that we need to honor a woman appropriately, do it properly, not fly by night, do it properly, and that's what we stand for. That we started with 10 women and we did 10 women last year, and when I go through the history of those women, what they did, I'm in awe. We have very powerful women you're going to hear today, the women that we honor here and what they did. It's tremendous, it's tremendous.
Injongo zomsitho wale mpelaveki ibikukunika imbeko kumanina angemva nalawo atshotshentla kuphuhliso lwezemidlalo abangazange babonwa ngegalelo lomsebenzi wabo.
But awards tend to give glory to the ones that we know nationally. You don't get to a national stage without being nurtured from the bottom. And it's these women that we want to honor. If it was not for them, we would not have national and international stars in South Africa. We have started small. We are climbing a bit and bit, working with key organizations. A majority of the time we take from our own pockets because we understand how important it is to make sure that sport is the crux of every individual, because what it does is gives you a buffer, it gives you an environment that is holistic so that you can be a whole person.
Ubesisithethi sondwendwe kulomsitho uNozipho Yafta oyinqonyela yombutho wezemidlalo eMzantsi Afrika kunye nekomiti ye-Olimpiki kunye ne-Paralympic ephuma eNew Brighton eGqeberha uthi kuluvuyo kuye ukubakho kulomsitho esithi uyayazi imicelimngeni ejongene nabasetyhini.
It's very important for women to celebrate each other. It's very important that you don't wait for anyone else to do that as women. It's upon us to actually lift each other up. You know, there's this saying that, you know, this pull him down or pull her down syndrome, which is incorrect. Women must come together and celebrate each other, which is why I love this event. I'm very excited about this event because we've got all these amazing women who do things behind the scenes where no one is watching. You know, we're saying to them today, we see you, we can feel you, you know, because of the role that they've played in their society. And it's Women's Month, so this is the best time to celebrate women.
Nanjengoko uJeremine Simposwene yiwebanyana ethe waveza ukugxeka ekungafumani inkxaso kwiqela lebhola ekhatywayo labasetyhini kunye neemeko ezimaxongo zokukhokhelela kwiphulo labo leWAFCON. Imisitho efana nale ibaluleke kakhulu nanjengoko iphakamisa igalelo elenziwa ngabasetyhini kwezemidlalo. Kwindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguJessica Bobo.